That's the middle name I like and Matt doesn't like, so. Think about it.
He doesn't like it.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be good.
That's all because something that